Yo, welcome back guys. Once again, Rihad Rosario Luna. Welcome po sa aking vlog. Good afternoon guys. Wanna flex this afternoon our done project for today's vlog guys. So guys, ang project natin, alhamdulillah, natapos natin ang ating customized stage. Yan. So yan customized stage guys. Pero yung sukat na 320 cm by 8 feet long guys. So nakaset up na rin ang ating kapis partition and yung mga anik-anik natin, mga nagmamagaling na rubber tree at ang mga snake plant na yan guys. So mayroon tayo dito sets of 2 carved chair, yan ating modern chair and piece of center table guys. So meron lang tayo mga wedding props, yung ating lagi slices and yung ating candle light guys. And also we have the kapis partition guys. Anyways, yung mga interesado gusto magpagawa ng ganitong klaseng project, PM sa Rihad Rosario Luna at agad ko yung re-replyan guys sa inyong katanungan. Basta Woodworks General Luna Woodworks yan. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Bye! Salute!